The fall season is the perfect time to gather with your friends. And Halloween means the gathering can be trick-or-treating and having a costume party. Dressing up is fun for everyone, but why limit the costumes to just people? We're not necessarily talking about your pets, although that would be amazing too. We mean you can dress up your food, and these mummy pumpkin cookies, inspired by Oh My Goodness chocolate desserts, are a great way to do just that. The perfect blend of fall favorite pumpkin and spooky mummy carefully crafted into a cookie will get rave reviews at your next Halloween shindig. You can take a shortcut if you're pressed for time. Refrigerated pie crust can substitute for made-from-scratch crust. But the whole recipe is so enjoyable that you may want to find the time to do it all from scratch. One ingredient in the recipe may be a little new to you: reduced pumpkin puree. It isn't a big deal to reduce pumpkin puree, however. Take a regular can of pumpkin puree and place the puree in several layers of paper towels. Wrap and press the pumpkin to soak up excess moisture. And what's left is your reduced pumpkin puree. You'll also use some of your fall favorite spices and ingredients with those delicious and creepy cookies, reminding you of another fall favorite, pumpkin pie. Use brown sugar, cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, allspice, and vanilla to fashion the filling, along with your reduced pumpkin. And when it's time to wrap your mummies, it'll feel like putting a topping on a pie, but way more ghoulish, of course. Toss on a final sprinkle with cinnamon and sugar, and your mummy pumpkin cookies will be ready for the oven. When they finally make an appearance on your party table, to the oohs and ahs of your guests and kids, you'll know you have a hit on your hands.